Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Python. Today's lesson is about arguments, okay? Specifically about these things, and we're going to take a look through all of their use cases, their syntax, why and when we need them for. First off, we're going to take a look at arbitrary keyword arguments. This is in the case that you don't know how many keyword arguments that will pass in. So arbitrary keyword arguments would give the function a dictionary to work with instead of the classic arguments number that you see in previous lesson that I've explained. We have def my function and then this two. So these are the symbols that tell Python, hey, this is an arbitrary keyword argument, all right? It's not just any sort of argument. Now, I want to print my friend's name is, but I don't know her name yet. So I'm going to pass in friend and first name. Now, when I call my function, I will give it the following information. First name is Emily, last name is Brown. So in all, this will return my friend's name is Emily. Okay, let's move on to the next part, default parameter value. What does this mean? If you call a function without arguments, it will make use of the default value. Now, I will demonstrate this to you. Obviously, all of these will be in demonstration, but default value is not a built-in value. It is something that you set for yourself. Over here, the default value of friend name is Emily. Print I'm friends with friend name. This is referring to the friend name over here, the argument placeholder. Now, when I call it my function Jessica, it will be I'm friends with Jessica. My function Nadia, I'm friends with Nadia. But if I don't pass anything in, it will be Emily. As simple as that. Passing a list as an argument. You can send any data types and they will be considered the same thing inside of a function. Example, I have food passed in as, the placeholder for an argument. And now I have result. My bad. Result is a placeholder. It doesn't have to be strictly result. It could be X, Y, Z, or whatever you want. For result in food, the argument passed in print result, and I passed in breakfast. Obviously, is an array with pancake, orange juice, and banana. My function breakfast will go through all of these. Okay? To the last part of the lesson, returning values. As the name suggests, this allows a function to return a value, and we're going to be working with numbers to make it easier. We have number argument return, so this will print out or display the result in the console 20 times the argument. Print my function, that is the number passed in here. So my function will be returning 20 times 22, 20 times 14, and 20 times 9. Def my function, friend, print my friend's name is friend, first name. My function, first name is Emily, last name is Brown. Oops, my bad. Def my function, friend name Emily, print I'm friends with plus friend name. My function Jessica, my function just default. Def my function food for result in food. print result. Breakfast is orange juice, banana, apple. My function, breakfast. Def my function number return 35 times number. Print my function 33. Print my function 12. So first off, we have this block of code over here. My friend's name is friend's first name, and first name should be Emily. So my friend's name is Emily. The second block of code, I'm friends with friend name. Default value is Emily. We're first calling it with another argument, Jessica. So I'm friends with Jessica, and once we don't pass in anything, it goes for the default value. I'm friends with Emily. To the third block of code, for result in food, print result looping through breakfast. So we have orange juice, banana, and apple. Now, to the last part, my function number return. So this will calculate 35 times whatever is passed in as the argument number. The first calling, my function 33. So we have 33 times 35. This returns 1,155. Second one is 12 times 35. This returns 420. Now that's it for today's lesson. I hope that you learned something new. Today's lesson was quite straightforward, and it is the end of the argument section when it comes to function. We're moving on to lambda. It's another type of function that is quite convenient, and you certainly can make use of it in multiple cases. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.